Hi everyone, today I am going to do a black smoky eyes. So if you want to know how I created this eye look, then please keep on watching. Using my Essence eyeshadow base as an eyeshadow primer, I am going to prime my eyes, blending it out with a beauty sponge. All the products used in this video has been linked in the description box. Now I am setting the eye base with my Rimmel translucent loose powder. Next is I am taking my Morphe 35B palette, and from that I am taking this purpley shade and using it as my transition. I'll be building up the transition shade a little by little as we are doing a smoky eye, so blending is a key. Please take your extra time while blending out all the product. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm blending out all the edges. Taking this deeper purple shade, I will re-intensify my crease shade to give a depth. Again with a clean blending brush, I am blending out all the edges. Now taking my Nykaa Eyem black Kajal, and I will be using it as my base for my smoky eyes. And then I am blending out that shade with my pencil brush. Taking that black shade from the same palette, I will place it over the black Kajal, and then I will blend out the edges. During the course of blending, I have lost some of the intensity, so I am re-intensify with the same black shade, and then I will repeat the process as and when needed. Taking a loose translucent powder, I am going to blend out the edges so that it looks very neat and smooth. Now with the same kajal, I will be lining my lower lash line and also my upper lash line. Now taking that black shade, I will smudge out my kajal, and I will be doing this on the 1/3 of my lash line. With the help of this deeper purple shade, I will smudge and blend out both the colors. And then with that lighter purple shade, I will further blend out all the colors. Taking my Mary Luminizer highlighter, I will highlight my inner corner as well as my brow bone area. And then with a clean blending brush, I will blend in all the edges. Now taking my e.l.f. blush palette, from that I am taking that peachy shade, and this shade goes well with my smoky eyes. Then taking my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and I will highlight the highest points on my face, like the bridge of the nose, the chin, cupid's bow, and my cheekbone area. Applied some falsies off camera. Now I am hiding the lash band with a kajal. Applied my lipstick off camera, and here is the final look.